Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install the iOS launcher on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store. Now over here we need to search for the iOS launcher, and then we can select, for instance, this one over here. Press install. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and once it is installed you can press open. Now let's wait a couple of more seconds, then you can grant access to the location, to contacts, and to photos and videos on this device. Now let's go to make default launcher over here. Of course you will get an ad, so let's wait a couple of seconds. Then we can skip it. And then we can confirm that you want to set the launcher as the default one. So press OK and then choose Launcher iOS 18. You might see the information about blur effects, so you can read that out. In my case I'm gonna tap later. And now we have the welcome message. We can press got it, and as you can see now we have the iOS launcher on our Motorola Edge 50 Pro. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.